Thank you for the time given to our team. Now, me and my team will present about material is depreciation. First, background. Depreciation is a continuous adjustment of value with a decrease in the capacity of an asset, both a decrease in quality, quantity, and value. The decrease in capacity occurs because assets are the usage and operations of an entity. Depreciation is carried out by allocating the cost of acquiring an asset into depreciation expense periodically throughout the useful life of the asset. In addition to land and constructions in the works, all fixed assets can be depreciated according the nature and characteristic of the asset. Second, understanding. Depreciation is the allocation of the depreciable amount of an asset over its useful life. Asset depreciation begins when the asset is ready for use, which is when the asset is the desired location and conditions of that the asset is ready for use in accordance with the wishes and intentions of management.
Next, method of depreciation. The method is divided into four. 1. Straight line depreciation. This method is considered to a set method to depreciate fixed asset. This method will divide the value more evenly over the useful life of the asset itself. This method is especially suitable for small business that use simple accounting system. In addition, this type of company generally does not require account and advisors to help them. 2. Double declining balance depreciation. This method of double declining balance will be more complex because the company will have to reduce the value of more assets as soon they are purchased and reduce them again another day. This method is perfect for companies that want to recover asset value at the beginning of time. 3. Annual digit depreciation amount. In foreign language, this term is known as depreciation sum of the year's digit, SYD. This method will help companies shrink assets in the early years of the useful life and less in the years after. And last, 4. Depreciation of production units. This method is very suitable for small business by reducing the value of equipment with result that can be reduced and accepted over its useful life generally. This method is only used for machines that have high value.
Factor affecting the determination of depreciation cost. 1. Acquisition cost. 2. Surveyor flues. 3. Useful life. 4. Amount of the depreciation phase. 5. Climbing of amount or book values.
Characteristic 1. Depreciation is a decrease in the value of fixed asset. Explain. The decrease in the value of asset is permanent. Once decayed, it cannot be restored to its original value. 2. Depreciation is a gradual and continuous process of diminishing the value of an asset, either with the use of the asset or due to the explain of time. 3. Depreciation is not the process of valuation of asset, but is the process of allocating the cost of an asset for its effective life of use. 4. Depreciation or depreciation reduces the book value and not the market value of the asset. 5. Depreciation is used for tangible fixed asset only. This depreciation is not used for intangible asset or disposable equipment.
Simple case. Depreciation parallel of passenger vehicle is an important input parameter for economic consideration for buyer and owner stakeholders, said financial institute. Between electric and gasoline vehicle, the vehicle that have highs, namely electric vehicle, are sent from depreciation rate, namely when 16% month and 19% years, complete to gasoline vehicle wines are only 0.87% moon and 34% years.
Conclusion. Depreciation describes the process of losing the value of building or other fixed asset over time in the absence of active management. This is an economic phenomenon the accountants try to proxy for through impairment of asset in financial statement. The factors that may lead to obsolescence include shift in technology, change in working practice, and the impact of new regulations. It is obsolescence that makes the prediction of how an asset will depreciate. In addition, because the difference of obsolescence have changed over time, historical measurements of depreciation rate may have limited value in estimating their impact on future rental or capital. Thank you.